The strange radio signals from Proxima Centauri, a mysterious encounter. In 2019, astronomers detected something that would send ripples through the scientific community and spark the imagination of millions. A repeating fast radio burst, FRB, emanating from the direction of Proxima Centauri, the closest known star system to Earth, located just over 4 light-years away. At first glance, it seemed like another odd cosmic anomaly, something that could be explained by the usual suspects of astrophysical phenomena. But as more data came in, it became clear that this discovery was far from ordinary. Fast radio bursts, or FRBs, had been a mystery since their discovery in 2007. These high-energy astrophysical phenomena are typically only observed in distant galaxies and last for mere milliseconds. Scientists had long been aware that these signals, often originating from deep space, were unlike anything previously detected. Their immense energy and puzzling properties suggested that they came from an extraordinary source, something unknown, something that defied conventional understanding. What was most unusual about the signal from Proxima Centauri, however, was its location. Proxima Centauri is not just another star in the sky. It is the closest known star to our Sun, and perhaps more importantly, it is part of a star system that hosts an Earth-like planet, Proxima b, where the conditions could, in theory, support life. The possibility that an FRB could originate from such a location seemed almost too uncanny to ignore. Could this be an alien signal? Was it an unprecedented event, or was something hidden in the vastness of space finally revealing itself to us? Astronomers from the Breakthrough Listen initiative, a project focused on the search for extraterrestrial intelligence, SETI, were among the first to react to the mysterious radio signals. The initiative, which aims to scan the entire sky for possible signs of alien communication, directed its efforts toward Proxima Centauri. The team observed that the signal, coming from a repeating source, was unlike any natural radio burst they had ever encountered. They attempted to rule out conventional sources of interference, such as satellites, human-made radio signals, and even cosmic events like supernovae or pulsars. Despite their efforts, the signal did not match any of the typical profiles for these phenomena. The nature of the signal raised more questions than it answered. Why did it repeat? Why did it come from Proxima Centauri? What could possibly be causing it? The fact that the signal repeated, something that was unheard of in other FRBs, immediately suggested that it wasn't just a random cosmic event. In the absence of an obvious explanation, speculation ran rampant. Some proposed that the signal could be the result of some form of advanced technology, either natural or artificial, at work within the Proxima Centauri system. The possibility that the signal could be a form of communication from an alien civilization stirred the imagination of scientists and the public alike. After all, Proxima Centauri was home to Proxima b, a planet that was discovered in 2016 and which lies in the habitable zone of its star, where liquid water might exist. If there were intelligent beings on Proxima b, the idea of them sending a signal to Earth seemed within the realm of possibility. The discovery of an artificial signal, even a faint one, would be one of the greatest scientific revelations of all time, proof that we are not alone in the universe. The repeating nature of the signal, however, created an even more curious dilemma. Most fast radio bursts are one-time events, fleeting and impossible to predict. A repeating burst suggested something much more deliberate, perhaps a transmission designed to be detected, or a natural phenomenon that scientists had never before considered. As researchers gathered more data, they noted that the signal was much stronger than any other FRB they had observed. Its frequency also fell within a narrow band of radio waves that suggested some kind of signal modulation, further adding to the speculation that it could be artificial in origin. Despite the excitement, there was also skepticism. Many scientists, particularly those who focused on astrophysics, warned that jumping to conclusions about the nature of the signal could be dangerous. They cautioned against getting caught up in the idea of alien life without first exhausting all other explanations. There were natural causes for strange radio signals in space, after all. Some speculated that the bursts could have originated from a form of neutron star, specifically a magnetar, which is known to emit powerful radio emissions. Others theorized that the signals might be caused by the interaction between the stellar wind of Proxima Centauri and the magnetic field of Proxima b, or some unknown phenomenon within the system. The question of whether the signal was artificial or natural remained unanswered, but one thing became clear. The Proxima Centauri FRB was unlike anything observed before. It was a tantalizing hint that something in our cosmic neighborhood might be much more mysterious than we had ever imagined. The search for answers, it seemed, was only just beginning. But the mystery did not end there. In the years that followed, as telescopes like the Meerkat Radio Array and the Very Large Array VLA continued to monitor the area around Proxima Centauri, the signal's recurrence became less predictable. Some astronomers argued that the bursts might be related to something much closer to home, something in Earth's atmosphere, or possibly even interference from human-made radio transmissions. However, these theories did little to satisfy the growing curiosity. The debate over whether the signal was a natural or artificial phenomenon intensified. As the scientific community debated, some researchers speculated that if the signal was indeed artificial, it could be part of a broader effort by an advanced civilization to communicate across the stars. If intelligent life existed on Proxima b, they might be trying to reach out, to make contact. It was a bold assumption, but one that could hold the key to unlocking the greatest mystery of all. Are we alone in the universe? For now, the Proxima Centauri FRB remains an enigma, a source of fascination and fear. It has prompted a renewed interest in the search for extraterrestrial intelligence and raised questions about the limits of our understanding of the cosmos. In the grand scheme of space exploration, it is but a fleeting signal, a whisper from the distant stars. Yet, it is a whisper that may one day reveal more than we could ever imagine. As we continue to search the skies for answers, the signal from Proxima Centauri serves as a reminder of just how little we know about the vast universe that surrounds us. It beckons us to look deeper, to listen more carefully, and to never stop wondering. Is there something out there waiting to be discovered?